All right, we're gonna go ahead and get started here. Lachanach Hain, page 1. You want to read 2? Okay. So we'll have Heather and Bob alternate on the reading. Or actually, we'll put Kathleen into the rotation too. Okay. So Tarish the Cholam Awank Achur Aaron Olis Fina Karti Kredvas Agidjuwai. So
He went back, should call him, went back to the bank.
okay, the bank. You want to know Tarish?
After
After.
he notified of his credit card?
That's right, we're not supposed to be talking now.
Yeah.
No, you're not.
You have to give everyone else a few seconds first to try to get in, then you can. Then you can. Yeah. Okay. So, yeah, Karti Kredvas are credit cards. So Tarish the Cholam Awank Achur Aaron Olis. It's right there. It's in paper. Yep. So. Okay, so any other words we know there? Okay, Bob, you want to try to take a shot at it?
I guess, oh,
Number 1, just try giving us a translation on it.
I don't know, after Cullum notified the bank
Mm-hmm.
of his loss of credit card.
I mean, the word good, stolen, a Gidjuway that were stolen from him.
Is that
Okay?
what good is?
Yeah, good is steal and Gidju is stolen, so we'll talk about that later. Okay, anyone read one for us, Bob, number 2?
Agus nuair a bhí seicliabhar nua agus bhuaile notí airgid an a bocha aige, chuaigh sé chuig na Gardaí agus thug sanarí dú maidir leis an bórshe.
Okay, so agus nuair a bhí sheklor nua.
And
Again.
Already had a new
You're on band too. Everyone else has to try. Okay.
Okay,
Until we get stuck with.
okay.
So, knew to be Schecklauer. Anyone want to guess what Schecklauer? What's it sound
Sounds
like?
like a checkbook.
Checkbook? Yeah, Lauer's book, Schecklauer, checkbook. Nua,
New
I guess Burla Noti Aragage. Remember what Aragage was?
money.
So Noti Aragage would be,
Like dollar bills.
yeah, bills, banknotes, whatever you want to call them. In a polka ege.
In his pocket.
Yeah. Okay, Hui Sheikh Ignagardi.
He went to the cards.
Not yet.
Today is why you have a chance.
Please.
I guess Hog Sunri Doiv Madulation Borsch. You may not know those words.
And his dear Porsche was gone, he told the guard.
Okay. Yeah, okay. So one of you three wanted to guess. So what are Sunri? Hog Sunri Doiv, huh? Wait. Tourist is a report. So Sunri. Details. Okay. Hog Sunri Doiv. So Doiv would be
There, them.
to them, Doiv.
About the Porsche.
Yeah, Madrilesh is with respect to the Porsche. Okay, Kathleen, you want to read number 3 for us?
Yeah. De gná ag an trá seo den lá, Téir sé thug bíalán galanta cuan lán a cadnamh,
Chahav.
a cathimh.
Chahav. Okay, so the Gana. You want to know that one? The Gana. Usually, yeah. The Gana. Ag an trasho den lá. You're thinking Tornona. Yeah, Tornona. Okay, give you a hint. Tornona means noontime. So you think the tra part means. So trasho den lá. I guess.
That time of the day.
Yeah. So this time of the day. Ag an trasho den lá. At this time of the day. Heach she chig bielan galanta. Bielan. Something about food. Something where you eat food, which is.
Lunch?
Place where you eat food, the restaurant.
Restaurant, Bielan,
Oh, you're looking for
Galanta.
an obvious answer.
Okay, Bielan, Galanta, Chunlon, Achav. He's going to have lunch. He's going to have lunch. Chunlon, Achav. Okay? So, Heach Shechig, Bielan, Galanta, so he would go, or he went to the elegant restaurant to have lunch.
Yeah,
Okay.
pocket full of money.
Right. So, lawn is lunch.
Yeah.
Or to consume lunch.
So, Heather, you want to do number 4 for us?
Ach ní ra bhéin chuile ag dhéanais.
Anyone know the word gilla? Gilla is stomach or belly. So Nirav ein gilla ega anish.
He didn't have a stomach for it.
He didn't have a stomach for it, he wasn't hungry.
Yeah.
Okay. Nirav ein gilla ega anish. He didn't have any stomach now. Bob, number 5.
Agus bí imní buenas plancha.
Okay. Just be imri flina plancha. So
Was it healthy? He
Huh?
was under the weather?
the slancha part's health. Imri, does anyone remember another one? Or fatchis, is that the related word?
The butter.
No, that's im. Imri. How about one? Huh?
I thought it was.
Worry. So, vi imri means what?
Worry was on him.
Yeah, or he was worried, right? Fuina plancha,
Where his health had gone.
or about his health. Fuina plancha. Fuina plancha. Okay, Kessin got a nice long one for you, number 6.
So I'm just looking at it. La Tamal Anus via Medron
Myron,
in a cown, August, or anta,
Uranta.
oranta, via she Cúig spadanta, shin, Gamia lad hudel,
Lawajil.
Lahujil.
Champagne.
Champagne a ol kun funniv egin occur on fame.
He drank champagne.
Yeah, there is champagne being drunk here. Okay, so, le tamil anuas. Anyone know the word tamil?
Oh, come
Tamil anuas.
Something in his head.
Okay, viach Myron nachan, huh?
Oh, he had a headache? He had something.
Myron's actually dizziness, so
A
there was
dizziness
dizziness
in
in
his
his head,
head.
so he was dizzy. And Tamil is a while, so the Tamil anuas for a while. Viach Myron nachan, he'd been dizzy.
With a while? With a while?
Yeah, you say with to mean kind of like for a space of time. Yeah, we'll actually get into some more examples later, but I guess uranta. Uranta. Another word? Yeah. What's the word ur mean?
What?
Hour.
Hour or time. So uranta.
Sometimes.
Sometimes. Viache hospadanta shin.
He should be.
Or he was, yeah. Viache hospadanta shin. Spadanta you probably don't know. It means like exhausted or yeah, tired. Okay. Gomiach so he was so tired or so
He had
weak. Gomiach la vujel champagne
half a
all.
bottle of champagne.
La vujel, so la is half, la vujel is half
Oh,
bottle.
half a bottle of
Champagne is of champagne, a whole to
that he
drink.
drank.
Kun funya vegan a her on hand. And I'll let you guys try it. I don't know if you guys know the rest of you know the words for that. Funya vegan a her on hand. Or any of the words you know that?
Siggy?
No.
Okay.
What about the her? Put on him
Was on
and
him.
himself. Punyav is energy.
Energy. Oh, it gave him energy
Yeah.
to drink a half a bottle of champagne.
Yeah.
Oh my god, alcohol's a depressant.
All right. So number 7, Heather.
Risha Leshker, Hordo, Blaga, Korla, Van Volkijn, I guess Korcha Howard, Boktor.
Okay. So Rish Shalesh. Literally, what does that mean?
He ran.
Ran with him.
He
Does anyone
ran.
know what Rish Shalesh actually means? It means it occurred to him. Okay, it occurred to him.
Makes sense.
Yeah, think about it. Kind of ran with him. That's something. You know, it occurred to him. I mean, if you probably noticed this thing running next to you, and so I guess. All right. So Rishalesh gur chordo glaka le korla veni rolhain. Remember the word korla? Chorli she wrote agando, so she recommended something to him.
Did they go to the doctor?
So korla, okay.
So
And he
Fanny
took
Brolkan
her
wants him to
recommendation.
go-
Take her
and he went to
recommendation.
the doctor.
to go
Yeah.
and see the doctor.
Or visit the doctor actually, or visit a doctor. Okay. Number 8, Bobby, want me to read that?
Nirga was she the Cúig Dr. Kurla.
So Nirga, I'll let you guys take a shot at that one if you want to take a guess at what it means. is it, it wasn't, huh?
I let his doctor.
Yeah.
Okay. He didn't have to, he thought, go to the doctor.
Corla consulting doctor, so one that would actually examine you and tell you stuff. So we'll find out what he was looking for in a second. Number 9, Kathleen?
Ní raibh moron ag cur as dó.
You were more on a cross though, so.
There wasn't much,
Mm-hmm.
I don't remember that stuff.
What does the word cur mean?
Um,
Cur normally put us though.
From?
Literally mean putting out for him, which basically
wasn't
means
much effort.
bothering him actually. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, it's an idiom, so it doesn't really mean. Okay. Number 10, Kathleen?